Come closer. So, what I do before I go to my garden, you know that most of the backyards they are traveled by wildlife. Some of them can be deers, foxes, raccoons, all sort of things, groundhogs. So all of them they bring disease. So it's very important that you stay away from the disease. You wear proper gloves. You have to wear the gloves. And then another thing I do is the socks, and I wear shoes. These are solid shoes, like good leather, and it's like says that snake bite proof as well. So if I run into some snake or something and I do not see and it bites my feet, it's going to protect me. So when I wear the socks, I tuck my pajama into that so that any bug, insect, or any tick do not crawl into my legs. It's very important to protect yourself. So let me wear my socks. I'm going to show you. Does not matter it is spring or it's a summer, it has to be tucked like that. See, my pajama is tucked inside. And you can keep your clothes separate for your farming. Whenever you go to garden doing farm work, you have to keep your clothes separate. So this is what I do, and you can see this is garden shoes. So okay, shoes are ready. I need to get gloves. So let me grab my gloves. So today I'm going to show you my garden after I till the land and cover it with the weed stopper fabric, and how it is looking now. It's month of July, so almost like 2 months passed after that. So let me show you. Follow me please. And I'm holding these bags to get fruits from the fruit tree. There are a lot of peaches that I'm going to collect today, and they are almost ripe, so I have to collect, and I have these bags. This ladder is called Little Giant, and it expands into big ladder, but it looks small. So let me show you how it works. Come closer. So this has become big. So now I will start picking up peaches. Start. Hi guys, this is Ashok. You're watching me on Finding Happiness in Small Things. So I showed you my garden sometimes back when I was preparing my vegetable garden with the weed fabric, and I promised you to show you when the plants are ready and growing, and it's almost like 2 months now, and month of July, it's very humid and hot. So I'm sweating out here as soon as I come out of AC room, but it's harvest time as well. So I have peaches growing up on my tree, so they are almost ready to pick. So I'm going to show you picking up my peaches today, and then I will show you my garden as well, how it's doing. So let me take you there. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe now. If you are already subscribed, big thank you to you. Please share my videos with others and hit on like button. I really appreciate your time. Stay with me. Let me show you. Okay, I have this bag. I'm going to go up to the ladder. Look at this. Really big. So I have to collect all of them. I have a sticky also where I cannot reach. I will put sticky up and grab it. I cannot go onto the tree and get them. So whatever I can do with the ladder, I will do with the ladder. So let me show you. Once I pick up all of them and fill the bags, I'll be back. So these are the 2 bags that I collected on the tree. These are delicious peaches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to process them and then put it in freezer and eat throughout the year, because I cannot finish all of them at same time, and if I don't, then they will ruin. But I have to process them. It's called pasteurization. So these are a lot of peaches. So this was the peach tree. Now you don't see any peaches there. So next maybe pears. I'll be picking up pears soon.